going on, YouTube? Well, quick video here. It's my 2020 Honda Accord 2.0 turbo. We're going to be replacing the air filter real quick on this one, real quick. This is gonna, supposedly this is the part number right here, 93933 from Advanced Auto Parts. Not a lot of people have this in stock, so I ran out and found this one. They only had one in stock. I had ordered this one from a Honda parts dealer, but this is the one for the 1.5 engine. It's from 2018 to 2020. It's got that little tab on the left side, and this one supposedly has a little tab on the right side. I'll show you when I open it, and you can see the difference. One is a little bit bigger than, well, you see one that's bigger than the other one. So that was my fault, because when I looked at my work order, and I did order the wrong one. So I said this is for the 1.5. That's the part number for the 1.5 from 2018 to 2020 Accord. So I'm pretty confident that one's gonna be it. So right here you got these two tabs. You just push them down, and right here, down here in the back, you just have like two tabs that insert into a hole. You just want to kind of like wiggle it a little bit and lift it up. Kind of hard to do this with one hand. See the two tabs, these two tabs, one on the right, one on the left. It goes back there. So I'm just leave mine like that and just squeeze it out through the side right here. See, this is the tab I'm talking about. I guess the 1.5 has a tab on this side. So here we go. Looks the same. Nothing special. This is this car's hitting about, I think, 11,000 miles right now, so I don't think nobody ever replaced it. It's kind of a little bit dirty. You see that? So I guess this is the right part number for this one. So you just want to take a peek in there, make sure there's like no leaves hanging around and stuff like that, any debris, take it out. That's pretty clean. So I'm gonna just slide it in here with the tab facing towards the right side. Make sure it fits in that groove real good. Make sure the rubbers are on there pretty good. So see right here, see if I could zoom in a little bit where those two tabs go. It's hard to see right there, but you get the right here, there's like a little slot right here. Can't focus, but you got it as the tab right here and a tab over there, and that's where these two back tabs slide into. So you gotta kind of want to like get it the back end first, wiggle it in place, then push down. You could tell if it's seated or not, or you should be able to feel if it's seated or not. Okay, it's a little pain to get in there. There you go. All right, you can feel it. Make sure you got it in there sitting right, and these should be able to. They should be able to slide right on. Okay. If it gives you too much hard of a time to snap back on, then it's sitting wrong. Just wiggle it around a little bit and tug. Before I had took out, you could take these, I think the size for these little ones here is 7/32. Just pull that out a little bit and you can pull this out and you can take that off, but you still have this in the way. If you want, you can just push that clip and disconnect it, but you shouldn't be able to have to take that out. Yeah, it's 2020 Honda Accord 2.0 turbo. Show you the part number one more time. That's the part number right there. CarQuest. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.